Welcome to LATIF animations. You can now download first this Unity FBS Unity. When you downloaded this Unity animation, so the problem is basically that when you come to the Unity, then this is not configured that any 3D model, VRM 3D model. So you need to just install this add-on, then you can import your animation and check out the installed extension. So this is the animation. You can see this is not any configured with the characters. So this is you can use this mixamo configure extension for batch processing. Just simply click on one that it's automatically configured, and then so you can select it and then go to the second options. You can select multiple clips and then go to first option and second option. This is a every animation is configured by the VRM. You can use any BVH animation, FBX animation, import, and then you can configure with batch processing. So you can get this extension for Unity on Unity Asset Stores. This is specially designed for the batch animation clips. You can not manually one by one, or this plugin is completely automatic system. If you want to be a 2000 plus animation library, yeah, then you can check out other assets on my asset store.